Hi you guys, so today I will be applying a headband wig. First I will start off by applying my olive oil. As you all know, I make my own hair growth oil. I'll leave the link below in the description box below. And then you want to massage the oil into your hair, and I will be using a crochet needle to get the ends of my hair tucked away so that I can put on my wig cap. Okay, so now I am just combing out my baby hairs, as you know, or may not know. I'll put it in the e-card above that I cut off my baby hairs. So I'm just using True Edge to swoop those in, and now to swoop my edges and baby hair is super easy. Like it just lays right down and swoops right on in. So I am happy with the decision I made to cut my baby hair. It was like all the way down to my nose. It was just too long. They were adult hairs at that point. But if you guys hear anything in the back, it's my kids. So yes, after I swoop, I just tuck it into the wig cap, and the wig cap, you know, secures everything. Now we'll be working with It's 100% Human Hair. I will put the link below in the description box as well, the direct hair link. I got this off of Amazon. So the box was very sleek, very professional looking, you know. It was just a vibe all the way around, all black, you know. I like the boxing. It came with the headband and also some eyelashes. And these eyelashes aren't like the, you know, the kind that come with every other hair. It was, yeah, the eyelashes was like that. They were cute. So now let's get into this headband wig. The construction of the wig, as you all know, is Velcro. And the Velcro is very secure. And then it has 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. And the hair, you know, the smell test, it barely passed, but it passed. I'm pretty sure if you shampoo and condition, it won't have any smell. I've smelled worse hair, okay? So now I just throw that wig on, okay, literally, and just put the teeth of the comb in the back, into the back of your wig cap. Grab those straps, flip your head over, and, you know, get your Velcro popping. Put on your headband, and boom. So the headband that came with the wig was a little bit smaller than the headband on the wig, but that's the great thing about this. You can fold that headband in and make it smaller or whatever, and it fit right on top, no problem. I didn't mind my cornrows showing in the front, but you can also scoot the wig up so you won't see anything. This curly hair was giving me life. I was feeling myself like immediately, okay? Didn't even have to put no product on it. It's bouncy, fluffy, very, very, very much full. Okay? And that's on period. Her name is Tattooed Girls, and peace.